Welcome to the channel. In today's video, we're going to talk about how you can easily disable sound effects in the Quizlet app. If you find the sounds distracting while studying or reviewing flashcards. First, open the Quizlet app on your phone. Next, tap on the profile icon located at the top right. Then, tap on the Settings option to open your account settings. After that, continue scrolling until you see the Sound Effects option. You'll notice a toggle switch beside it. Finally, tap the switch to turn off the sound effects. Once disabled, you'll no longer hear any sounds while using Quizlet, creating a quieter and more focused learning experience. That's it for today's tutorial. You've learned how to turn off sound effects in the Quizlet app, quickly and effectively. For more helpful guides like this one, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching.